New boiler installation in Leeds. My name's Alan Hart, and today I'm just going to recap on it's an old job that we did, installing an ideal Vogue combi boiler in Leeds. So yeah, let's have a look at it now. We're removing an old glowworm. This is a glowworm Micron. When we have a look at this system, the boiler on this was faulty, and all the installation pads had well, they were all damaged inside. So I've just got the apprentice taking off all the old lagging now. And then we're going to remove the boiler. So I've removed the case, the front cover off the case, and then we're going to start. We've just drained it down, just got hose on, drained it down. We've took flue off. We removed the flue. We took the filter out. When we look at the filter, the system is really bad, and it's got like a black slime on this, so it's going to need a real good flush. Is this system? This system was an open vent system, and it was very sludged up. All the header tank had all like a slime in it. What we're doing with this is we're taking the header tank out and we're putting it onto a sealed system, and we've done a full power flush as well. We removed the old boiler off the wall now. We've just boarded this wall so it all looks nice and neat. When we put the new boiler on, we've just got a new laser level. We're just leveling out pipes up. We've got the press gun, so we use press fit for our fittings. I have done plenty of videos on press fit, so if you wanted to know more about press fit, then just have a look, just have a search, and you'll see. Press fit is just really quick and easy, no mess. We're not putting no flux and solder into the heating system, and it just makes for a nice install. We've just got the template now on the wall, so that's the ideal Vogue template. We've just put a standoff kit on this one so we can put the gas up the back just to make it a bit tidier. Just got the boiler on the wall now, just leveling all the pipe work up. We've got a new filter on there as well. We've got a shock arrestor on this because this is a combi boiler that we're installing on this job. You can just see how pipe work is all nice. It's all done with laser level. We've put all the gas pipe up the back, and then up. The gas is all in 28mm, 28mm copper. It's got brass clips, some 45s on there. Nice, neat, tidy job all the way back to gas meter. You see there, it's all nice and clean. Just got flue now, just cementing the flue in. Obviously we use sand and cement and brick it in, so it's all nice and neat. So that was an ideal Vogue installation that we did, and that boiler comes with a 10-year parts and labour warranty. It's almost 4 years old now, that boiler, so a long-term review on that boiler is that the boiler's been absolutely amazing. The boiler, it's been faultless, it's been really good. It's the boiler with the brass internals, so the first generation of the ideal Vogue. The new Vogue now has got plastic inside, so I've been waiting, to be honest, to see how that goes, because Ideal haven't had, in my opinion anyway, Ideal haven't had a good past with plastic components in boilers. So once they changed to plastic, I actually stopped installing the Ideal Vogue because I like to have quality boilers, and if something changes in a boiler, I like to wait a while and just make sure that it's going to be reliable, because the last thing I want to do is install a boiler for a customer that's going to start breaking down and causing loads of problems. I know the keen-eyed ones of you will be saying, look at the condensate pipe, it goes across the door. Well, that door on the other side is totally blocked up. It only looks like a door on this side. But you can see it's all nice, tidy job, fully flushed, real good quality install, and customer was very happy. We've serviced this boiler as well every year since, and it's been faultless, to be honest. Really has. Cracking boiler. That was the Ideal Vogue installation in Leeds. Yeah, it was a really nice job. Spent a lot of time there. Boarded all wall out. Did a real good flush on it. Press fit for pipe work. If you've got any questions, please ask them in the comments below, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video.